Before anything else, preparation is the key to the success. 3D printing in medicine uses additive printing technologies to create personalized medical devices, organs parents for transplants, anatomic models for education and cerebral planning. The goal is to reduce the numbers of medical errors by improving surgeon training, animals or cadavers, whilst no launch bios, which currently present logistic problems, but especially ethical ones. 3D printing can be used to create models of parents' organs, prostheses, and implant manufacturers, can create solutions with the correct dimensions, with a complex design and a lower cost. The ability to print an exact replica of patients' organs can be very useful for surgery and property planning. Among the different applications of medicine, 3D printing, bioprinting offers the opportunity to create skin, which helps treat severe injured and aid variants in the trade recovery. Mark Hertz, a plastic surgeon, explains its use. Once you can create sustained skin from a patient's cells, it completely changes the situations because you can operate directly. In the future, it might even be possible to print false functional organs identical to the parent's original organs. 3D printing in medicine represents a revolutionary advance, offering the potential to create personalized medical devices, anatomical models, and every organs part for transplants. This technology aims to reduce medical errors, improve surgical training, and address the shortage for transplantable organs. The future possibilities of printing full functional organs and synthetic skin from plant cells highlights in transformative impact on the earth layer, promising quicker, more efficient therapies and better patient outcomes. The future is